MSc Long Bison Bay visits Rongkhang constituency. Locals of Ward No. 4 Rongchaklam under Diphu Municipal Board endure difficulties due to flood. Inglong Ikpi Baptist Church Sunday School Department organized saplings plantation on Sunday.
Jinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The Niswar Theron, Headmaster of Jinthong Ronghang High School.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. Now the news in details. MSc Long Bison Bay started his field visits in his constituency to look upon the status of developmental works and also to make a blueprint for the future development works in the constituency. This was his first visit since winning the recent MSc election. He was accompanied by Rongkhang VDC Chairman Khonsing Tokbi, Mondal President Bimol Timung, and several BJP workers. During this visit, firstly he invited the people of Rongkhang at his residence and also discussed various grievances faced by the people. After that, he inaugurated the ceremonial foundation stone laying of PMAY Jeep of one from Borthoy. He also inspected the land for shops in Borthoy and also inspected the construction site of the new BJP Mondal office. MSc Long Bison Bay had consultations with the people of Rongkhang for the upliftment and development of the constituency. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Rongchaklam, situated at 1 kilometer from Diphu, have been enduring flood every monsoon due to lack of proper drainage system leading to submersion of roads and houses. On seeing the visuals, you might not believe this to happen in Diphu. But this has happened in Rongchaklam, Ward No. 4 under Diphu Municipal Board. The road, due to lack of drainage system, seems more like a stream than a road. In the previous elections, several politicians, including the ward commissioner, promised to upgrade the road, but those promises are long forgotten. The promises are yet to see the day. Therefore, the people of Rongchaklam request for immediate construction of road with proper drainage system.
Ang kudete nasi kutula pana kisungo nasi ward commissioner dum taminang langit kue drain pin yang nai tu kubom kita na lamni ita nasi dam pinyani du pana kisungo nitu.
The people also said that Parivartan is yet to reach them despite the many requests already given to Team Karbi Anglong led by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. During monsoon, in case of health emergency, ambulance cannot even go to the village, says the people. Therefore, the people have made a special request to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to look into the matter and bring an end to their problem.
Nilitung lah, Rongchaklam Ward No. 4 long ke nilitung ke di kecunung rita batai dupilo CM lapen EM MP MLA hana cuning ri dupilo lapen komisioner sadunarong pipi hana cuning ri pilo langsung sonakit akisung nilitung hadi bini dekali nitum la son akisuke nanang tung heklongi lage tuwal mo mate lang roilo damnang nelo itung Ward No. 4 ladak Rongchaklam rong hadi medical pen kono pas minit tanang ni la solong nitung 108 bangun e tilasu 108 kibang unci bhanke CM EM telitum ke ente nitum bhut ki joke udhikar ke nitum ke avelu mante ho nitum jok nak ma telang nitum hanke ente CM EM komisioner ke peman ke ente nitum rong asulong si jok ji pute alang ni ta komisioner man mi lapen CM EM taman mi ante nitum hantan lang tha lasu nang ke lang ji phansi nitum nang nitum media hoi phan nang hang lo.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Students of Inglong Ikpi Baptist Church Sunday School, Dhoniram Ingti, Koilamati, under 25 Nilip constituency organized a plantation drive. Due to rapid rise of deforestation worldwide, it had affected globally. It has resulted in additional temperature of heat. Therefore, in order to combat this heat, plantation of trees is utmost important at the moment. Keeping in view of these consequences, students of Inglong Ikpi Baptist Church Sunday School organized a plantation drive at Dhoniram Ingti, Koilamati. Nearly 100 saplings were planted at the event. Before the initiation of saplings plantation, Peter Teron, head teacher of Inglong Ikpi Baptist Church Sunday School, aware the importance of trees and also advised his student to plant 2 trees if one plant is cut down. After addressing the importance of trees in short, he started the event with a prayer to seek blessings.
Sila bangso theng pi ki e ko ana ki mema mo phi phat asi nitum ka do ka be than bon la bangso theng pi e lo pula tang te itum phara kinang du pe ke tum theng pi theng prang ka ve ang long si do bom lo la si mo la bangso theng pi the lo le pending lo pula tang te to pilo la ke itum phana ki me itum kereng ji tum chi the la phana ka do be tumon kang sam hedi la hai tum ki do ki tha.
Vidya Singh Hanse, teacher, Mamoni Teron P, teacher, and students of Sunday school attended and made the event successful.
Biang long aram ta ang long ta me thing pi theng prang ikom mate ki jum hek pa joksi nana bangke ili munetum kereng je phan ta me ma tisung son kisu for example kana ma kisung bang na chichini ne bo theng pi sai mate ki ipon bangke mola bangso theng pi thelo pola tangte ili me thang pas jale.
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.